Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable noise cancellation in Krisp AI in 2026. If you want to remove background noise and make your voice sound clearer during meetings and calls, this guide will walk you through the setup process step by step. First, open the Krisp AI application and sign in to your account. If you haven't installed the app yet, download it from the official Krisp website, complete the installation, and log in with your account. Next, launch the Krisp AI app and select the microphone and speakers that you normally use. Choosing the correct audio devices is important for the best results. Now locate the noise cancellation option in the Krisp dashboard. Turn it on for your microphone to remove unwanted background sounds, such as keyboard typing, fan noise, traffic, or people talking nearby. If your version of Krisp includes speaker noise cancellation, enable that option as well to reduce background noise coming from other participants during calls. Next, open your meeting app, such as Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, or Discord. In the audio settings, select Krisp microphone as your input device and Krisp speaker as your output device if you're using both features. Before joining an important meeting, make a quick test call to confirm that noise cancellation is working properly and that your voice sounds clear. Finally, keep the Krisp AI application running in the background so noise cancellation stays active throughout your meetings. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to enable noise cancellation in Krisp AI step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.